And Kenya's infrastructure reforms and increased regional trade have been identified as key drivers of development in the energy and power sector. A construction trend report by Deloitte also shows that the bulk of rail infrastructure development in East Africa has boosted investor interest in the country. KTN's Ashley Mazuri reports.
Kenya's journey of infrastructure investment registered steady growth driven by rapid urbanization and expanding middle class. The construction sector has undergone various changes in trends from China's dominance in Africa to transport, energy and power, leading in the number of projects in 2014. A latest report by Deloitte on construction trends shows the International Development Finance Institution remains the largest financier of infrastructure projects, representing 48% of total projects and 34% of Africa's financing. Regionally, East Africa accounted for 20% of all projects in Africa, valued at $57.5 billion, the equivalent of 580 billion shillings. Kenya tops the region with 20 mega projects, followed by Ethiopia at 12 projects due to transport, energy and power projects that have showed increased investor interest across board.
In the continent of Africa are projects that are related to essentially what we call transport and energy projects, two critical components of infrastructure development. So over half of that is for the entire continent. But then if you turn your attention to East Africa, over 80% of the projects are being built within the transport and the energy sector.
A drastic drop in crude oil prices, however, is now a key concern for investment in oil and gas, as this has seen some investors shy away from potential oil-rich countries like Kenya and Uganda. Overall, the total value of mega projects in the continent stood at $357 billion in 2015, marking a 15% increase from 2014, with Southern Africa contributing the biggest share at 109, worth $140 billion, followed by West Africa at 79, valued at $116 billion. Ashley Mazuri, KTN News.